Here's how to manage Zora's data history. Zora continuously logs sensor data like GPS position, wind, and depth, so the history graphs can show you the past. Open the add-ons page and tap Data History. You have three choices. Retain last 24 hours. This is the standard setting and keeps disk use low. Retain last 30 days. A longer window, but it consumes significantly more disk space. Delete all data, wipe the database, and start fresh. Tap the option you want. Zora applies the new retention policy immediately. That's it.